Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Tech Airspace. This is the Tidradio TD-H3. We'll unbox it and check out the features of this nice little radio. Let's get into it. First up, we have the user manual. It's clearly laid out and easy to understand, guiding you through the H3's features. Definitely worth a quick read before getting started. Next, we've got this little info card with the website and phone number. So if you ever get lonely, you can give them a call. Then we've got a nice quality arm strap to keep the radio secured. Next up, the dual band antenna, one of the better looking and feeling antennas from Tidradio. It says 136 to 174 MHz and 400 to 470 MHz. Next in the box we've got a belt clip which attaches to the radio with 2 screws. Here's the charger, nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. Has a USB-A port, feels just a little bit too flimsy for my taste. I might use another one. USB-A to USB-C cable, no more using ancient cables. I'm looking at you, micro USB. And here's the charging dock, USB-C port in the back. Much better quality than the Bafang ones. No squeaks or creaks. Nice finish on the surface. On the top we have the charge indicator. Finally, here's the TD-H3 itself. This is the black colored one. There are also other colors available. It has a nice finish on the surface. On top we have the usual antenna port, flashlight and rotary knob. We've got 2 PTT buttons and a programmable button. The radio fits well in the hand. I really like it. The radio covers 8 bands, giving you a wide range of frequencies. You can program or back up the radio with CPS, Chirp and with the Oddmaster phone app. One of the cool features with this radio is the Bluetooth programming. No cables needed, just pair the radio with your phone and you're ready to go. This radio is dual band, dual watch, which lets you monitor 2 frequencies simultaneously. This is ideal if you need to stay on top of 2 channels without constantly switching back and forth. And also the radio has dual PTT buttons. The radio charges in about 3 hours and will keep you going for up to 24 hours with a full charge. Not bad for long days in the field. It's compact, so small enough to carry in your pocket, but big enough to clearly see what's going on the screen. One thing about the NOAA, the radio has weather channels pre-programmed. However, you have to set a hotkey to use it. It isn't set by default. Let's take a quick tour around the radio. Starting at the back, we have the battery disconnect latch, and here's the radio's information sticker. This is where you'll find details about your model and the serial number. The belt clip attaches with 2 screws, very easy to install, feels sturdy. Up top, we also have 2 status LEDs, red when transmitting and green when receiving. On the left side, you'll find the Kenwood and USB-C programming ports. On the right side, you've got the PTT A and B buttons and the button for flashlight, which also can be programmed. And finally, here's the USB-C port and the charge indicator at the bottom. The screen is 1.44 inch color display and it's quite clear and easy to read even in sunlight. Charging the radio is versatile. You can either charge the radio with the battery still attached, or take the battery off and charge it on its own. That's a nice touch, especially if you have backup batteries. The charging dock is solid, there's no play when you dock the radio, it feels secure and stable, which is always nice. Last thing you want is a wobbly charger that disconnects halfway through the charge. The radio has a built-in flashlight. It's not going to replace your tactical light, but it's perfect for lighting up the trail or checking for your gear in low light situations. The radio has different preset modes. Switching between the ham, GMRS and normal modes is super simple. Just press the left lower button and the star and then turn on the radio. Got a body with the same radio? You can wirelessly copy settings from one radio to another. It's quick, painless and saves you a lot of time when setting up multiple radios. The menu is straightforward with ton of useful options. You've got display settings, squelch, mic gain, LED settings, airband. You can also adjust the transmit power. Now we're scrolling through the other options of the menu. I feel like I've been at this longer than I spent deciding what to watch on Netflix last night. This is for you guys who want to see all the menu options. So enjoy watching me click away. Few words about scan features of this thing. You have search, timeout and carrier operation scan modes available for you. Sometimes you just need a break from all the communication. Flip over to FM radio mode and you can listen to your favorite local stations. There's also FM scan mode, so you can automatically find what's playing in your area. This radio also has airband, which is great if you're into aviation monitoring. The firmware updates are easy, just plug in the radio to your computer via USB-C and you're good to go. No need to mess around with complicated update processes. This is the version for the firmware that came with the radio. I haven't updated it yet. Turning on the Bluetooth is simple, just long press on the BT button, easy as that, no hunting through the menus. Now let's dive into the OD Master app. It's available for both Android and iOS. This app makes programming a breeze. You can read and write channels, adjust settings and basically customize the entire radio from your phone. And here's what the app just downloaded from the radio. All the settings, basically the default settings. So if you want to add new channels to the radio, just tap on the channel number, enter the frequency, name it and press write. The application syncs the data directly to the radio in about 15 seconds. No more messing around with tiny buttons and menus on the radio itself. I really enjoy this feature. You can also adjust any of the radio menu settings from the app. Just tap the function button on the Audiomaster app and select any settings you want to change. Then just press right and you're done. 15 seconds and it's in the radio. Before we continue, I would like to say big thanks to our sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay offers high-quality custom circuit boards, CNC machining, 3D printing, injection molding, and even sheet metal fabrication to power up your ham radio projects. Check out PCBWay today. This radio also lets you adjust the microphone gain, which is something that the older radios like the Baofeng UV5 didn't have. Whether you're in a noisy environment or just want to fine-tune the transmission clarity, it's a handy feature to have. The speaker audio quality is not amazing, but it's good enough for this price range. Here's a sample.
Okay, Roger, copy 2 Delta. The park you will be billeted on base, and you're expected at 12:32. Roger. Do you have any further traffic for us at this time? The MTC has no further traffic at this time. Copy.
If you're interested in getting one, head over to the Tidradio website. The H3 comes in black, crystal, and green. You can choose between different packages with extra batteries and chargers. There's plenty of options to fit your needs. So is it a good radio? I would say yes. Here we have a radio that will do ham, VHF, UHF or GMRS. It will also do airband, FM radio and NOAA weather band. It can be programmed wirelessly. It can be programmed via USB-C and is a chirp compatible. Battery can be charged via USB-C. So it has a lot of features for a $30 radio. If you want to grab one for yourself, you can use my code TechAirspace at the checkout for a discount. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.